Hello mga tao! So now, I'm going to do my makeup kasi sayaw kabanatuan na naman dito sa kabanatuan. And I'm going to use my Original Moisturizer and wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa kasi anong oras na? Bakla, anong oras ka nang gumayak? Yak! Now is my favorite primer from Showbill. Then tap mo lang siya sa face mo. Now I'm going to use my favorite foundation from Maybelline. Ang Sayaw Kabanatuan is like a festival also na ginaganap dito sa Kabanatuan, te. And there's a lot of people, inuman, and something like may table, may banda. Kung merong banda doon, actually yung mga banda hindi ko sila kilala. Like, sino ba kayo? Ganun. Pagkakita ko ng post ng mayor namin, sino ba to? Of course, you're gonna apply it to your face, just like that. Now, I'm going to use sponge para lumapat siya sa face ko ng bonggang-bongga. Now, I'm going to use this Focalure Cream Contour. Ilalagay lang natin siya dito sa back ng ating kamay, just like that. I'm going to use this brush, tapos kunin lang natin yung excess din. Ganun. Now, I'm going to use this multi-use concealer from Maybelline. So, ilagay mo lang siya dyan sa mga part na gusto mong takpan. Marami akong gustong takpan. Pati yung bibig mo. Pak. Now, I'm going to use a sponge para i-blend siya ng bonggang-bongga. Nilagay na rin ako ng cream blush as you can see. So, now, I'm going to use this loose powder from Nichido. Maglalagay ka lang ng onti sa takip. Just like that. Here. Kung saan mo nilagay yung concealer mo. I'm using an angled brush para mas define yung ilong. Now, I'm going to use my FS eyebrow powder. So, we're gonna dip in the... So, ang ginagawa ko sa kilay, fini-fill in ko lang yung mga parang bungi-bungi sa ating kilay. I know, makapal. Kasing kapal ng face mo. Pero trust the process, guys. Now, I'm going to use my favorite BYS blush palette and I'm going to dip in the shade. So, as you can see, nag-eyeshadow na rin ako. Nothing special. And those. Diba? Like, anong masasabi mo? 10 out of 10, diba? And I'm going to use my O2O Bullet Lipsticks. Siyempre, dalawa sila. Now, I'm going to use my BYS mascara in the shade. Huh? I will not make the face, guys. Huwag kang umanga and... Now, I'm going to set this in place using my favorite setting spray. This is from Azla and shake mo lang siyang ganyan. Then, huy, hindi pa yan. And here is the finished look.